Oh, hi everybody. Welcome back to Drunken Sailor. I'm just here sitting up on a cocktail and thinking about it's been actually almost 2 years that we've been on the YouTube channel and how much fun we've had. I've noticed one thing that has consistently happened is that every time I make a cocktail like this one, and it's really good, my darling wife comes back and says, "Let me have a taste," and then she says, "Oh, make me one too." So this is what I was having tonight and what she's already told me. So I told her to get the camera out. Let's start filming. It's a great cocktail for the coming of spring. It celebrates one of the great times in Washington, D.C. No, I'm not going to get political. It's the cherry blossoms, and that's the name of tonight's cocktail, the cherry blossom. So let's get pouring. We're going to start with our shaker, and I am going to put in there, we're going to start with some brandy. And I am going to use 1.5 ounces of brandy in there. We are next going to use 1/2 ounce of Cointreau, an orange liqueur. And you can use triple sec, you can use Grand Marnier, you can use Kirsch, whatever you want. But 1/2 ounce of orange liqueur. We're going to put in there some cherry herring. Now you can use the cherry herring, which is a cherry liqueur. You can use cherry brandy if you want. That's going to have 1 ounce in there. We're going to throw in there a 1/4 ounce of lemon, and that's freshly squeezed because we do know fresh is best. Going to finish that off. It's going to be a splash of Grenadine in there. So we got everything that we need in that shaker. Now we are going to toss some ice in there, and we're going to give this a shake, and we're going to chill it down. We got one thing left to do. We're going to take our chilled martini glass. I'm going to dump the ice out of that. And now I'm going to pour. Look at the color on that. If that doesn't say springtime, I don't know what does. Final step. We are going to garnish 2 cherries. And then, as always,
is it mine?
My blushing bride.
Is this one mine or is this one mine?
That one's yours.
Oh, okay.
Well, you can have this one. It's got less. No. Cheers, baby.
So good. A lot of cherry, fresh, a little bit of tart. Very good.
Springtime in a glass, folks. Cheers.
Cheers.